This is a short video to help you navigate this course player. The course player is made up of modules. So here we have Module 1 Antiderivatives PDF Notes. These are basically the manuscripts of the videos. They're PDF manuscripts of the videos. So you don't necessarily have to be going through all of these. They're just there for your reference. You can download them, you can print them off, you can even be looking at these when you're watching the videos. Let's open one of these up. So this is PDF number 2, basic integration. We have a question here, we have the solutions, and it's exactly the same thing that you'll be looking at when you watch the videos. Then you can continue right here, and we go to basic integration number 3. You can also click on these horizontal bars to go back to the outline. You can click here on this button to download this PDF file. And so let's go back to the outline, and here we have the videos. The videos are basically 10 minutes long. This is 11 minutes. This is 6 minutes. Let's open one of these up. Basic integration number 3. Let's press play here.
Divide by e to the minus x minus 2.
And we can size this up. There it is. And let's go back.
Simply.
Let's go back to the outline. And if you ever want to go back to the dashboard, it's right here. I think on your screen it will probably say go to student dashboard. So there it is. And so let's look at also some of the other features here. So here we have the worksheets. The worksheets is still in development. I'll be adding many more worksheets for all the modules in the coming weeks. Let's look at this one here, worksheet 1 on antiderivatives. We have the questions right here, so you can see there's space here so that you can actually fill that in and work through all of these questions, and then press continue. Press continue here, and there it is, and these are the solutions, all step-by-step solutions, and there it is, and we can say complete and continue, and let's go back to the outline here. So you can see, and it basically repeats itself. So here we have adding up rectangles, we've got the PDF notes that are the manuscripts, we've got the video tutorials here, then we have the Riemann sums, definite integrals, fundamental theorem of calculus, use substitution, all the techniques of integration, integration by parts. There's 11 lessons here. Right there, you can see there's these lessons. These are the videos, of course. And just to go over the meaning of these numbers. So for example, this one, it says integration by part 6, video 54. This means it's the 6th video on integration by parts from this module, this integration by parts module. And this 53, the last 2 digits is a global number. It means it's a 53rd video starting from right from the beginning of the course. So if this number was 100, it would be the 100th video. And in the coming weeks, I'll be adding many more videos on areas between curves, and also volumes of revolution, centroids, center of mass, work required to fill a tank, work required to empty a tank, and also sequences and series. And all right, well, thank you for watching.